Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 14-15 Fleer Showcase. Here are your list of winners and their respective teams. Thank you very much, Jeffrey67407, for purchasing all those teams. And as for everyone else also. Break 140, here's your serial number 1082. There's your box. Serial number 1082. Isn't that special? Well, let's get right to it. I've got a feeling about this box. One of my feelings is there's going to be 15 packs of cards. I think we're going to get a couple of sweet patches. Let's hope anyway. I can't make any guarantees. I'm not that brave. Not that brave. Our first hit, Taylor Hall, Skybox Premium. Going out to the Oilers. Let me get these cards figured out here, right? Oilers puck stops here. And for the Ottawa Senators, we got Curtis Lazar, a Metal Universe. That would be going out to Douglas 555 Kevin. Congrats. And for Derby 1010, we've got Flair Showcase Style. Patrick Marleau for the Sharks. Okay, here's our first patch. Oh, it's a redemption. Ooh, doggy. Ooh, doggy. Who's it going to be? Let's get these ones out of here. Oh, I can feel it's a nice card. Okay. For the Blue Jackets, Fleer Showcase Hot Prospects Patch CD to 175, and it's Adam Wenberg, and that is not, that's not his real name, right? There's some Alexander Wenberg, but that is for the Blue Jackets, I do believe. So let's see, Jeffrey67407, if you want that code and that is your team, you can email me or I can mail it to you. If I email it to you, you'll have it in there and get it going right quick, or you can wait a little while. Sergei Bobrovsky for the Blue Jackets, back-to-back Blue Jackets, 35 out of 299. Here's our second patch, right quick. Ooh, we don't know who that is, though. We do now. Dennis Everberg. Look at that sick patch. Very nice. 168 out of 375. Going out to Douglas 555 Kevin. Congrats. Wow, that's no fun. We got rid of them too early. For the Rangers, Aaron Ohm 2, Mark Messier, Flair Showcase, whatever you want to call it. Oh, nice. We'll start off Tyler Seguin for the Stars. That's Team Carroll team. Then there's one of those packaged retro ones behind. I'm just going to go through this and Take that. Come on. Okay, here we go. Suspense no longer. For the Columbus Blue Jackets or Arizona Coyotes, whichever you want to call it, goes to Jeffrey 67407. Brandon Gormley, Fleer Ultra, 83 out of 125. Look at that sick signature. Very nice, very nice. Told you this was going to be a box. How can it not be with a card like that? Johnny Gaudreau for the Flames, Jeffrey 67407. This is your blue ice, I believe. Very nice. Numbered 45 out of 99. Gianni Hockey. Okay, we've got 2, 4, 6 to go. Maybe we'll have an extra big hit in this one. Who knows? Damon Severson for the Devils, going out to Derby 1010. Metal Universe. Uh-oh, I see some green happening there. For the Montreal Canadiens, Douglas 555 Kevin. We got Piquet Subban, Precious Metal Gems, Metal Universe, so it's green PMG. 3 out of 100. Those are nice cards. Douglas Kevin, or Douglas 555 Kevin. You're hitting them all around there, Douglas. Or Kevin, whichever one you are. Sweet. Hot Prospects. Rocco Grimaldi for the Florida Panthers. Jeffrey 67407. That is numbered 80 out of 149. And the hits just keep on coming. Let's get a duos Hot Prospects next. Don't you agree that would be nice? Yes, it would. Here we go. Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos, 2009 Favre, 366. There you go. Two packs to go. For the Flyers, Claude Giroux, and that's Brad Huey. Metal Universe. Last pack. Good luck. For the Rangers, Mats Zuccarello. Flair Showcase. Going out there and home too. And that, my friends, is all she wrote. Check out Sunday night. I've got a box of SPX, I got a box of Showcase, and I got a box of Dominion. So hopefully we'll see you there. Till next time, good night. Happy bidding.